right, it is the end of May. The first of my garlic is already ready. I have 3 varieties, 2 hardnecks, 1 softneck, just because they're different. Even though I planted them all at the same time, only one of them is ready right now. It formed scapes about 4 or 5 weeks ago. I picked the scapes, we ate them, so let's see how these bulbs are. Oh my goodness. Huge. That is music. That is a hardneck type of garlic. So beautiful. That's a big bulb of garlic. Hopefully that's indicative of the rest of them. Very sweet. So again, it had a scape 4 or 5 weeks ago. I have 1, 2, 3 dead leaves. Oh man, that smells good. Woo! Yeah! We actually ate that first clove that I picked 2 days ago. Even though it wasn't cured, I still peeled it and I put it into our deep fryer as it was heating up. Then I smashed it up with some butter when it was golden brown and soft. It was freaking amazing. So good. Ooh, smells good. That's a big one. Big one. Oh my gosh, that one's even bigger. Very nice. So they don't have super deep roots, but I'm still trying to knock off all the soil into the raised bed before I put it over on the table to start it just drying and curing process. Very nice. Even the small ones are nice. All right, my 2023 music hardneck garlic harvest is complete. I'm gonna have to cure it, dry it and cure it now. I'm gonna move it indoors. I'm actually just gonna use my compost sifter for to dry them out on. I'll just crisscross it on there in the garage so it's dark and it has some space to air out and dry and cure properly so we get a good shelf life on them. I think I have 32 cloves here. Which is pretty good. Some are obviously a lot bigger, like that one's a monster. Some are bigger than others, but that's okay. Super happy, smells delicious. And this is only a third of my garlic. There's only these 3 rows. So these 6 rows of garlic, and then 6 rows of onion that are still getting big. All right, thanks for watching this garlic harvest. Smells great. I can't wait to start eating it.